Hello, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will discuss how to add and remove strike-through in Excel. While Excel doesn't have strike-through like Word, but there are several easy methods to apply or remove this format. Let's begin. So the first method is to add strike-through using keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl plus 5 are the shortcut keys to apply or remove strike-through in Excel. As you can see, we have a to-do list in which we have different tasks to perform. To apply strike-through using keyboard shortcut, first select the cell and press Ctrl plus 5 keys to add strike-through. As you can see, strike-through is applied in a cell. Now, add strike-through to a range of cells. First, select the range of cells and then press Ctrl plus 5 keys. Now we add strike-through to a non-adjacent cells. First, select the multiple cells, then press shortcut keys. If you want to add strike-through to a part of cell value, just double-click the cell to enable the edit mode and select the text you want to strike through. And then press shortcut keys Ctrl plus 5. Now, as you can see, strike-through have been applied on a single cell, range of cells, non-adjacent multiple cells, and also on part of cell value. Our second method is apply strike-through by using format cell feature. First, select the cell you want to apply strike-through. Then choose Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, under the Font tab, check Strike-through option. From the Effects section, click OK and close the box. Now the strike-through is applied on a cell. You can also apply strike-through to a multiple cells, range of cells, and on a cell value by this method. Just select the range, right click mouse button, select format cells from context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, under the Font tab, check Strike-through and click OK. So the strike-through is applied. Now we will discuss the third method to apply strike-through icon to quick access toolbar. Okay, in this method, click on the small arrow at the end of the quick access toolbar in the upper left corner of the Excel window and then click More Commands. Under Choose Commands from section, Select commands not in the ribbon. Scroll through the list and select Strikethrough. Now click Add button to add Strikethrough. Finally click OK button. Now you can see the Strikethrough button is added in the quick access toolbar. Whenever you want to add Strikethrough, just click this cell and click on this Strikethrough button. So the Strikethrough is applied easily. Now we will discuss how to remove Strikethrough in Excel. So these three methods are also applied to remove Strikethrough in Excel. Our first method is to remove Strikethrough is by using shortcuts. So just select the range or cell and click and press Ctrl+5 keys. Strikethrough have been removed. Second method is to remove Strikethrough using Format Cells option. Just select the range, click mouse right button, select Format Cells from the drop down menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, in the Font tab, uncheck Strikethrough and click OK button. So Strikethrough have been gone. Now we will discuss how to remove Strikethrough using Quick Access Toolbar button. Select the cell value and go to the Strikethrough button. Click on it. Now you can see Strikethrough have been removed from the cell value. So here are some methods to add and remove Strikethrough in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.